Good morning, student. Today we are going to start exercise 4.4. Here we'll do construction. 3 sides are given and 2 angles are given. So what we have to construct? We have to construct a quadrilateral DER where D is given 4 cm, EA is 5 cm, AR is 4.5 cm, angle E is 60 degree and angle A is 90 degree. First we'll draw a rough sketch. This is the rough sketch. D, E, A, R. D is 4 cm, EA is 5 cm, AR is 4.5 cm, angle A is 60 degree, angle A is 90 degree. In this line, 2 angles are there. So we will take EA as a baseline. So first we will measure 5 cm. This is the point E, A, 5 cm. Now we will construct an angle A is 90 degree. So we will measure any radius and we will draw a semicircle. This already we have done before. With the help of same radius, we'll cut arc of 60 degree, second for 120 degree. And in between the 60 and 120 will be 90. So we'll take same radius and we'll cut an arc in between 60 and 120. This intersecting point is 90 degree. Now, this A and R is 4.5. We'll measure 4.5 centimeter and we'll cut an arc here. We'll increase this line till the point. This point is R. Now we'll construct an angle. Now we'll construct angle in E, 60 degree. Same process with the any radius. We'll draw a semicircle. With same radius, we'll cut an arc of 60 degree. Now we'll measure 4 centimeter because D is 4 centimeter. We'll measure 4 centimeter. E as a center, will cut an arc. It will intersect at D. So this intersecting point is D. This is the point. 4 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. Now we'll join both the points R and D. This is our required quadrilateral where 2 angles and 3 sides are given. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 60 degree. When 2 angles and 3 sides are given, so we have to construct like that. Now steps of construction. Okay student, now next construction is quadrilateral TRUE, where TR is given 3.5 centimeter RU is given 3 centimeter, U is given 4 centimeter, angle R is 75 degree, angle U is 120 degree. Here also 2 angles and 3 sides are given. First we'll draw a rough sketch. This is the quadrilateral TRUE, where TR is 3.5, RU is 3, U is 4, angle R is 75, angle U is 120 degree. In this line segment, 2 angles are there. Line segment as a base will take. So we'll measure 3 centimeter here. This is the RU. Now we'll measure the angle 120 degree at U. We'll draw a semicircle with any radius. With the same radius 60 degree. With the same radius 120 degree. 120 degree. Now we'll join this line. UE is given 4 centimeter. So we'll take measurement of 4 centimeter. And we'll cut arc from U. This intersecting point is E. This is the point E, 4 centimeter, and this angle is 120 degree. Now we'll make an angle 75 degree at R. Same process with any radius. We'll draw a semicircle. Same radius. This is the angle of 60 degree. This is the angle of 120 degree. And in between there is an angle of 90 degree. This is 90 degree, but we need 75 degree. So in between 60 and 90 there will be 75. So we'll cut an arc from 60 and from 90. This is the angle of 75. Now RT is given 3.5 centimeter. So we'll cut an arc of 3.5 centimeter. So this point is point T. This angle is 75 and sides is 3.5 centimeter. Now we have constructed both the angles and we have measured all 3 lines. This is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3.5. Remaining point we will join. This point E and point T will join. So this is our required quadrilateral TRUE, where 3 sides and 2 angles are given. So students, hope you understood. Now steps of construction.